This video features a preview from one of Texas Wildlife Association's on-demand youth webinars. Please enjoy the preview and look out for program details at the end. Let's begin the program. All living things have 4 basic needs in order to survive. Here's a question to discuss in your classroom. Do you know what these 4 basic needs are? Fill in the blanks on your worksheet. All living things need food, water, shelter, and space in order to survive. Today, we are going to focus on the basic need of food by learning about food chains and how energy flows from producers to consumers and decomposers. We will also investigate what may happen if a link in the food chain is broken. To figure out what makes a food chain, first we need to identify the components or parts of an ecosystem. An ecosystem consists of both biotic or living things, such as plants and animals, as well as abiotic or non-living things, such as rocks, water, air, and sunlight. An ecosystem needs a good balance of these biotic and abiotic things in order to be healthy and create strong food chains. A food chain is a flow of energy from one organism to another, or who eats who in an ecosystem. But first, we need to determine where the energy comes from. Where do you think the energy comes from to create a food chain? The primary source of energy in a food chain comes from one of the abiotic factors, the sun. Write the word sun at the top of the first box on your worksheet, and when you have time, draw a picture of the sun. The sun provides energy to a group of organisms known as producers. Can you give me an example of a producer or the first living thing in a food chain? An example of a producer is a plant. Write the word plant on your worksheet above the word producer and draw a picture of a plant when you have time. Plants are known as producers or autotrophs because they produce or create energy from the sun in a process known as photosynthesis. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth because plants need abiotic or non-living factors such as the sun and water in order to survive.